Hello everyone, welcome back. Today let's solve the 43rd SQL question from Leetcode top 50 SQL entry questions. This is the only hard problem in these 50 SQL entry questions according to Leetcode. If you scan through the list, you will never find any hard problem here. This is the only hard problem in the Leetcode. This is the 43rd problem. I don't know why they tagged this hard problem, but if you understand the concept of some of the window functions, it is one of the easiest to solve. I'll make sure that it will be one of the easiest problem to solve. So what let's understand what exactly problem is. So they have given two tables, called one is employee and another department. So simple, like we have to print out top three salaries by each department. That's all. Top three salaries along with some more additional information, department name, employee name, and the salary. So basically, we have to print out top three salaries. So let's understand further. Here in the, if you see department ID, so everything happens with this table. This is just a name; it has only name. So if you see, there are two departments in this context. Department 1, which is IT; Department 2, which is sales. Here, for in Department 1, so in this, according to this use test case, so you have example. So you have five employees. So one here, and then you can see the remaining four here. What we have to do is we have to print the salaries in a descending order. So which basically top salary should come first. Top three salaries should be displayed, right? So here Max having the top salary. That's the reason you will see here. And the second, these two have a tie. They have, both of them have same salary. Here, this one and this one, right? Sorry, this one, this Joe and Randy. So these two have a same salary. So that's reason it's a 2. Rank is 2. It is ranked as 2. And then Will has a third salary, 70,000. I think, yeah, 70,000. This will be ranked at 3. So this top 3 from this department 1. There is also one more, which is, I think, yeah, 69,000. We have to skip this because this employee, because this salary doesn't come under top 3 for this department. Maybe this could be a top one for the other department, but this employee is part of this department, so that we don't consider this salary. So similarly, we have to go next. We have to go to department 2. So department 2 has only 2. So it came as is. So the first salary, top salary will be in the top, descending order basically, and then the next top salary. So in the second, and if there is one more, so it will come as a third. So this is what the problem is. So we can solve this using a window-based functions, rank and or dense rank. So mostly dense rank. So let's understand. So let's start writing the code. So select. I'll make sure that it will be one of the easiest problem you have solved. So I use something like a rank. So what I have to do is, see, what I'll do is I'll rank these salaries. I'll like, okay, whoever has the, by department, whoever has the top salary, I'll say them he is 1. Whoever the second salary, I say them is the second highest, so on and so forth. I basically use a rank function by department. I can use a rank function for entire table itself, but I use rank by department. So that's where I use something like a partition by over rank over partition by partition by. So by department, I'm saying it's group by, something like a group by. Okay, you rank it, but rank by groups. So whenever you find new group, you reset the rank and then you start from the beginning. That's what it says. So for each, you rank within the department. That's what you were saying. Partition means you rank within the department. And so I want the salary to be ordered by, right? I want the top to come in the highest salary should come in the top one. That's the reason I use order by in a descending order. If I don't use descending order, so you'll have ascending order number. So you will have lowest will be number 1 and second lowest will be number 2, second something like that. So instead I want the top to be number 1, so which is what I'm descending order. So that's all. This is that's all. I think we almost solved the problem. So rank, and there is one more thing. This is one of the famous interview question, rank versus dense rank. There is also something like a row number. I would suggest you also look at roll number. Dense rank. I'll use something like a dense rank. Dense. All right. So dense rank, dr, dense rank. That's all. So I'll select all the columns, and then so I'll give the difference. We will be using dense rank, but I'll just want to show you what's the difference between rank and dense rank. I'll take this table, employee, from employee, run it. That's all. So here, what happens wherever there is a tie, right? Rank ignores the number. So this is the output which I got it, which is not expected to be. The expected output is like this. That's when you are seeing this error. So what rank does is, so the output is according to it has sorted the salaries in a descending order. Top salary came first by department as well. So this, if you see here, this is the number one. Rank and dense rank both are same here. All right, rank number, basically it has rank number one. Here again same, here also same, because they have a type, so here are the same. Here comes the rank problem. So because it is like a, according to rank, so this is the third record, right? So it will skip the third record and starts from the 4. Imagine there is one more record for 85,000, and then the next number is 70,000. So imagine there is one more record with 85,000. It will give rank 2, but it starts from 5. This will become 5. This is the problem. Wherever there is a tie, so it skips that number. So whichever the number are there, those numbers are getting skipped. So if there are 3 ties, it will give 1 rank for all of these. Three numbers are same, it will give, but it will skip the 3 numbers. So that's how it has skipped 1. So here, if you see, because according to that, it should be 3, but it starts with 4. This is the problem with the dense rank. However, we need this is a problem with the ranks. Apologies. This is a problem with the rank. So we need dense rank here. So what I'll do is, because we don't want to skip the number, we need the top 3 salaries. If I use this, so you try out if you use it, because in this scan test only, so we will not consider that user at all. So we will not consider this user if I there will not be any 3 at all. So if I use dense rank, if I use only rank, apologies again, if I use only rank, I will not consider at all. I have to filter, right? I have to filter. So here there is no 3 at all. So you will get only first 2 values. But I also need this. That's the reason I use a dense rank. That's all. I think we almost main core part of the problem is already solved. So that's also we are just ranking all the numbers from the employee, and that's all. So we just have to take by department, and then the good part is here, you see it has ranked, and then it will reset when the new department starts. The new department has started here, so again it will restart. That's the beauty of rank, dense rank or row number. This is the beauty of window functions. Again, in the previous some of the examples I also explained row number between all of those as well. In this lead lag also I have explained. I'll link you some of the resources for this, more resources for the to read about window functions. This is one of the easiest way if you understand the beauty of these functionalities, and it will become complex if you don't understand. If you directly jump into understanding the query, it will become very complex to understand. But if you understand the beauty of this window based functions, so you will love start coding in using, you love start using in your regular SQL coding these functions. So that's all. What I'll do is I'll keep this in a common table expression, which is a temporary table. So with I'll say D rank, dense rank, CTE. CTE is nothing but common table expression, which where I am keeping this information as another table, temporary table. So this is a temporary table which stores whose life is here only. So what I'll do is, that's all. I think this what I'll do is now now see I have all the information whatever needed, but I need the department name. I need the department name, and then and so on and so forth. So what I'll do is I'll join this table with the department table to get the required relevant information. Department ID they need, department name they need. So what I'll do is I'll select name, select. Here they are asking me to select the, here I have the column name is name as I'll say department. Okay, what name? Department name. I'll choose the D name, D dot name, and I also need to choose the, now next what they are asking is, they are asking the name, employee name. Employee name is also name, which I take it from CTE, DR CTE, basically dense rank CTE. Okay, maybe I'll give as a CTE as a alias for this. Imagine I'll come again in a while as as employee, all right, and salary is in the same table, employee table, which is CTE. I don't have to do that because CTE as sorry, this is, yeah, this is correct, salary. All right, I think we're good. From DRCTE, which is I'm renaming as CTE. I'll join this table with the department. That's all. With the department on department D, because I use this here on let's say CTE. What is there here? I just have to join with the department ID. Within the CTE I have department, because I've selected all the values here, equals to here. What is this? This is ID, right? D.ID. D.ID. That's all. I think we're almost there. So I saved this, ranked this, and then saved this. Yeah, I think we're almost there. Except what we have to do is we are printing all this. We don't need this. We don't need. We just have to print. We don't need this because yeah. So we just have to say where. I'll also need to mention where dr. I can directly give the name because there is no conflict. Dr is less than equal to 3, or I can also give the ct.dr to make it more readable. Right, wait, I think we're almost there. Anything missed? No. Yeah, it got accepted. Yeah, that's all. Let's see if this test case got passed. Let's see if all the test case gets passed. Okay, all right. This I don't know, to be honest, why they made it complex. It is easy, but again, here you can optimize it. You don't have to select all the columns. You can select only the relevant columns. I just selected to show you in the output. The beauty here is a dense rank, and then you can use this partition along with the department, each department. You can play with this function. It's like a group by. In the one of the problem with the group by is whenever you are dealing with group by and then want to join back to the main table. So when this I often use in my machine learning feature engineering project. So many data scientists, they use group by to aggregate the feature and then use join to join back to the main table when they keep trying it. Instead, when I understood about this beauty about this function, I started using average by department, average salary by department, first salary, last salary of an employee. Instead of using all the aggregated function, I started using window function, and there are a lot of functionality within this over. And then the code readability become more. It was code was more readable. It was less code. Obviously, there is a notion, right, with less code means less bugs. So start using it. I'll put the detailed description again, other videos as well. You can refer my previous videos to read about to solve the different problems of window functions. That's all. I hope this you understood in easy manner, and I hope you that you also understood the difference between dense rank and rank. That's all. Let me know if you enjoyed watching this session, and if you let me know also that this I made this easy for you. So if you understood in an easy manner, please comment. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.